What's cracking? Hopefully it's not your back. Now listen, if you're curious about the best cryptocurrency and how it works, watching a good documentary is a great way to learn. And one of the best crypto documentaries in first place, in my opinion, is called Banking on Bitcoin. This film tells the story of how Bitcoin started and why it became popular. It explains the technology behind it in a way that's easy to understand, even for beginners. You'll also probably learn about the people who believed in Bitcoin from the very beginning and helped it grow. Now, another great documentary is called Crypto Rush. Now, this film dives deep into the world of cryptocurrency and how it's changing the way that we think about money. So it covers the rise of Bitcoin and other digital currencies, showing how they're affecting banks, businesses, and even governments. All right? So it also shares the challenges that comes with the new technology, like security issues, market crashes. And here's another one for you: the rise and rise of Bitcoin. The rise and rise of Bitcoin. It's another must-watch. This documentary takes you on a journey through the lives of the people who were early investors in Bitcoin. It's a fascinating look at how Bitcoin has grown into a global phenomenon. These documentaries are a fun and easy way to learn about the world of crypto so you can get better at understanding it and how it works and where it's headed. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. We get what we give.